Gracie's throwing a fit, you guys. We had a little issue with alligators eating the beaver, you guys. So I'm glad to see our beaver are finally back. Gracie's been out here camping, but Ava's never been out here. Girls, couple of tomatoes.
From our garden.
Oh yeah, Lillian jumped on that. You can get out and go play? There you go. Are you gonna open another egg, Lillian? She did.
There's that jumping bean.
Look, Billy. Oh darn, I don't think I was filming that.
Really?
I think I was filming somewhere else. I think Lillian stepped on something.
Yeah. What's that? No. I think you got it out, honey.
Hello, monkey lovers. Gracie kissed me when I said that.
Mama's popular today.
Anyway, we are heading out to give the girls a picnic out at our land today.
Yay!
So I have a little picnic basket for the girls, and I even brought some treats for Kelly and for Ginger, because they love going out there too, and they're buddies, so they're gonna have fun.
Buckle her down.
And Ava is on my shoulder, you guys, and Lillian's telling Gracie to settle down. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
Well, I can get my arm. We're gonna have to.
Okay, Gracie's throwing a fit, you guys. She is the only one of our girls that ever throws a fit.
Right.
Ava is on Gracie's back. Okay, so we're a few miles down the road. I've got the two girls buckled down, and Gracie's still throwing a fit. She'll have to get used to it. Ian's playing with the two little girls. That got them quiet. Okay, here we are, guys. This is our land over here. And we're fixing to come down to the spring. Is the spring still running, or did the beaver dam it up?
Oh, the beavers got it dammed up. But
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, see?
Wow, they did. They did a good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm glad we have the beaver back.
You know, I am too, really.
Uh-huh. We had a little issue with alligators eating the beaver, you guys. So I'm glad to see our beaver are finally back. The girls finally got a little quiet. Gracie's getting mad at Ava because Ava keeps jumping on her back. We made it. Billy's got the girls. There's Kelly, there's Ginger. And we're gonna case the joint before we let the girls go. When we come camping out here, this is where we camp. That's where we have our fire. There's the lake. Here's the scenery. It's gorgeous. There's the girls. This is the first time Ava's been out here.
Is it?
Yeah, Gracie's been out here camping, but Ava's never been out here.
Ava.
Okay, so we're gonna head up there and we're gonna get the picnic stuff ready. Are you ready, Billy?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
All right. Somebody done got a hose.
Look at that gorgeous sky. Oh my gosh, look at those clouds. Isn't that beautiful, Billy?
It is.
Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so we got the picnic table set up. I just brought an old tablecloth and we put it over it. Lillian's already trying to get in. So I'll show y'all what I brought for the girls. I brought these for the dogs. Billy, here's your water.
Oh yeah, I was hoping you brought me one.
And I got me one. I got them some snacks. And I brought them some wheat, oats, and grape nuts. They like grape nuts. And I had to bring blackberries.
All right.
We picked these blackberries this last summer. And so I had to bring some because the girls love blackberries. I had them, I froze them. Okay, just a minute, Lillian.
I want some of that.
And I brought them some nuts. You want to just pour those on the table for the girls? A couple of tomatoes.
From our garden.
Oh yeah, Lillian jumped on that. And I brought them tuna fish. They love tuna. So that's what we have.
Oh, yeah.
Billy, I'm just going to set our water in here. If you want it, it's right there.
Okay.
And Gracie dropped her tomato.
She did. See what if Ava easy.
Ava, you want that, baby? Now, because I know they love blackberries, we're going to make them wait on the blackberries.
Yeah.
Here, pour
Come on
those
up
out
here.
too.
Okay.
Okay. Now, let's see if we can get the girls to come down and eat.
Come on down, Ava.
Now, we don't have the two little girls leashed, and we're going to take Lillian's leash off. What is she doing?
I'm not sure.
After she eats. I want her to
Trying
eat
to get something.
first.
Let's get something over here.
Okay. You want to open those and give them to the dogs?
Okay.
And this being Ava's first trip out here, I'm not sure she's going to feel comfortable enough to get down.
Yeah. Okay. Kelly?
So it doesn't look like the girls are hungry.
I know. Lillian's was full.
I know they had a great big breakfast, but I
bet
thought
you
they'd
put
be
them
ready.
berries up there, they will though.
Uh-huh. See if Lillian will eat some tuna.
Lillian, come here. Here, look here. Lillian.
She didn't want any?
Well, she took it, but I don't. And she kind of just.
I bet
got
if
the
they
juice.
got down and played, they'd get hungry.
I bet they would too. There goes Gracie. She's
Well,
on the ground.
let's take the leash off of Lillian and let her play. Yeah, Gracie got down to play. Lillian, you want to go play?
Come up here.
You can get down and go play? There you go. You go straight to the track. She likes to play on the track.
What happened?
Yeah, Kelly and Ginger found their treats.
Mm-hmm.
Lillian?
Lillian.
People have asked if she comes when she's called. Well, there you go.
I know. I love the way she runs.
Uh-huh.
Say, what else you got, Mama?
There's nothing. Oh, I did get them eggs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let me go get them an egg. Hang on.
Can you
Okay.
crack an egg?
I made them some hard-boiled eggs. Let's see if Lillian will crack it.
What'd you get? I thought you got something.
What you got, Lillian?
Hmm?
Can you open your egg?
See how Daddy's peeling it? I'm gonna peel it for Ava.
Open your egg, Lillian.
Okay.
She's pushing on it.
Oh, she did. She opened it.
Uh-huh.
See?
Yep. She's so smart. She got another one. She wants to open it too. Is that good, Gracie?
You get out of that.
Are you going to open another egg, Lillian? She did. You're wanting everything that I'm not wanting you to have yet. No, you eat your food. Good
No, you
girl.
get out of that. You eating the shell, girl? I hear something crunchy. Hey. Take it back.
You got your hands full, Billy.
I'm telling you.
You guys, he is sacrificing. I'm holding the camera, so he's doing everything. He's sacrificing for you guys.
That's okay. They're not. Say it's a good thing there's not a tree. Wish I had something to throw.
Whee! Now don't get the berries yet. Y'all eat some more food.
Come on. You just making a mess? Huh? You eating that?
She's getting ginger. Are you trying to play with Ginger? No, don't get in those yet. Well, I think I'm going to let them go ahead and open the berries.
Yeah, might as well.
Uh-huh, that's what they're wanting. All right. Daddy's pouring them out.
Here, right here.
They said, now you're talking.
They want them out of the sack. Gracie took her a handful. There goes
Oh,
Gracie.
looky there. Look at Gracie.
Look at Ava.
Lillian,
Everybody wants in the sack. They don't want it on the table, so I can't eat it on the table. Now you dropping it on Daddy.
Is that good?
Shoot, even Ava eating them.
Mm-hmm, they love them. We froze a bunch of blackberries after we picked them. And so every now and then I'll pull a bag out and let the girls have them in their room. And they love blackberries. Especially Lillian, because she's the one that was helping us pick them. So I think they're even more special to her.
Go, Ava.
Pretty little yellow butterfly. See if I can zoom in on that. Can't really see if I got it or not.
Ava's relaxing a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Some good stuff, girl. Huh? Why don't you stay up there? Oh, good. That, huh? Ava?
Hi, sweetie. Oh, you're so
Right
pretty.
here to the side.
Did you get an egg? Gracie got an egg, Dad.
Did she? Good, good.
Look at that.
So you're not going nowhere.
Everybody's
I'm gonna
going
be
with Dad.
Oh, she's smiling. Yeah, you smiling? All right.
Here comes Gracie. Hi, sweetie. Call her.
Gracie.
There she goes.
Hey, you want to drink the juice? Come here. Oh, here you go. Just drink the juice. You want some, Gracie? There's still some in there. You put it down like this right here. Lillian said, I'll show you how to do it.
Hi, Kelly.
Yeah, somebody gonna have to wash their hands.
Here, come here. Open the snacks. Good girl. There you go. You want to get one? Good girl.
Here you go, Ava.
Ava, you want a snack? There she goes. Gracie, come here.
Gracie. Come here.
Gracie, come here.
You want a snack? Snack?
You want to get a snack?
Here.
No, she really didn't want one. And we will see if they want one of these snacks.
Okay.
Lillian had sand in her hands. She was wiping her hands off with the sand.
Gracie? You got them berries.
Here, I'll take the berries. There goes Lillian. she was
Gracie.
running full force.
Here you go. She said, I want them berries.
There's some on the table if she wants them. Here. Did Ava eat a snack?
And she eat one of these. You want one of these?
Lillian, you want a snack? Show Lillian.
You want one of these? Look here. There's that jumping bean.
Gracie wants to go play with the dogs, but she doesn't want to venture too far. Where'd Lillian go?
It's right here.
Okay.
What are you doing?
So I think the girls are just too excited to eat.
I know it. Get out of my pocket.
Is that good, baby?
Yeah, she likes them berries.
Is that good? Oh, big berry kiss.
Yeah.
Mwah. I love you. That was a big berry kiss, Gracie. Hi, sweetie. What you doing?
Okay,
Oh my goodness, you gonna come give my leg a hug too. Look, Billy. She went down, oh darn, I don't think I was filming that.
Really?
I think I was filming somewhere else. Did you go get your puppy dogs?
Go get Kelly. Go get Kelly. Go get it. Go get it. Go get Kelly. Go see Kelly.
I think Lillian stepped on something.
Yeah, maybe. Come here, girl.
Did you get a sticker, Lillian?
Let Daddy come see. Come show Daddy. Lillian. Lillian.
I think she got a sticker in her foot.
Come here. Let's see your foot. Which foot was it?
That she showed
See your
you.
foot?
Yeah.
See your foot. Is that where it was at?
Show Daddy.
Let me see.
She says it's right there, Dad.
See, I think, what's that? No. I think you got it out, honey. I think you got it out. Ava, why don't you get out? Ava, you get out? Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we got everybody loaded up. Puppy dogs are back there, monkeys, picnic stuff, Billy, me, and we're turning around. Fixing to head home, you guys. Thanks for stopping in and having a picnic with us. We had a lot of fun with the girls. And I shot a video of Gracie and Lillian climbing that little clump of trees right through there, right there. So y'all swing over to Lillian's channel tomorrow and you'll get to see these two girls climbing those trees. They had a wonderful time.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. And we hope y'all are having a super awesome day today. And we will catch y'all next time. To order your very own alphabet coloring book, composition notebooks, and our other coloring books, swing by Amazon to the book section, type in Monkey Lillian Louise, and it will pull up all of the books for you. I will also put a link in the description box below the video that will take you straight to the books on Amazon. So order yours today.